We are installing a part today. This is from Boost Auto. I'm installing this on my 2023 Ford F-250. It's an XL package. Well, it's an XL with an STX package.
You want me to just leave it somewhere?
Yeah, just leave it there.
Here or in there?
DoorDash. But this is the F-250 STX. It's an XL. What we're trying to do is change the tow mirror lights from Boost Auto. Full disclosure, they sent me this for me to make a video. And from what I read about the company, they're US based and they make quality products. So should be an easy installation. Now, if I skip a lot of stuff on here, it's because installation videos are very tricky. The good thing is Boost Auto actually has installation videos on their website. I'll also put in the links in the description below so you can follow step by step. And knowing myself, when I install stuff, I normally mess stuff up. Oh no. Oh, damn it. So that's why I'll put the actual installation on the description. Now, first of all, since I'm doing electrical stuff, I disconnected the battery. So in the package, let's see what we got. We have the lights, and what I did was I opted in for a smoke lens. So you got the lights, and that's it. This is the build that I did. Since I have a 360 camera, I opted with a front spotlight. Even though the truck does not have ambient exterior lighting, which we'll fix later on in the video using ForScan. So I can turn on all the lights within the truck, but I have to mess around with the Sync 4 system. So let's install this now. This is very simple. The build that I did is a switchback, which means it switches back and forth with yellow or amber and white. And startup sequence, and what else? Sequential. And I'll show you what those all mean. I know I was confused too when I was building this thing. Thanks Boost Auto for sending this to me. So let's install this now. All right, so first things first, I disconnected the battery first. And it says to extend the mirror. First of all, it's just removing all these mirrors. I'm just gonna be careful with this. Go. All right. Disable these wires. I'll just gotta remember the black one is in the out position towards the truck. Oh, it's scary. All right. So one. It says in the video there's some tabs here you gotta push out. So you're doing it simultaneously with a pry tool. There you go. I think I got everything. That's just a screw. All right, so now this is removed. So now it's unplugged. You just gotta pull this gray tab. And once that's done, I should be able to just pull. There we go. Whew. So I know that this F-250 has a front-facing spotlight, even though I have no button inside the dash, because I can see the bulb right there. But we'll figure that one out later. All right, so now we're installing the new one. All right, everything snaps in place. Mirrors back. And then align it back. Okay, that was easy. There you go. Let's do the other side. Oh no. Oh, damn it. That's not cool. Damn it. Well, just be careful. Oh man, I messed that one up. So let's pull this all the way up down. It works. Nice. It looks really good. Except I broke one of my mirrors. Alright. Now I do a startup sequence. Really, let's close this. Maybe right there. Okay, I think I got a good view. Let's start this. And it's daytime. I'll show you later on too at night how it looks. Let's see. Man, that mirror. Let's do the flasher. How it looks. So there it is. That's from Boost Auto. And I'm gonna do a lot more configuration later on using FORScan to be able to use the spotlight. It's called the external ambient or zoning, light zoning. See if that could change the way I use this. But be careful on that lower mirror. That's very fragile. So I'm gonna have to replace that one. But overall, it's a great product, man. Blacked out. So I'll put the links in the description below. Time to mess with the FORScan. So I have this OBD reader with a USB, which enables me to actually mess with the Sync 4 system. The intent is I want to be able to add ambient lighting external so I can use all the lights outside. It's good for camping. Plug in the USB. And then 360 lighting, here we go. We want to edit that one. Enable. So now we got, I think that's the zone. Okay, please cycle the ignition off. Features. There you go, zone lighting. Let's turn that on. That. And let's turn that on. It won't turn on. Damn. All right, well. So running lights is on, but I can't turn on even with the FORScan on. But yeah, that's pretty bright in the morning. Well, we tried. All right, let's do a remote startup. Let me use the app, the Ford app. Well, that didn't do anything. I guess it's let's see, unlock it. That's a lock. There you go. So let's turn on the lights. So everything is on. So that's the daytime running lights. So just to explain the settings, right? Switchback means this white light right here is on. When you turn on your signals, it just turns into amber, which let's do that right now. The white light is gone, turn into amber, and what you can see it's not flashing, but it's called sequential. But if you look at the other side, the white lights are still our daytime running lights. So that's what's called the switchback, which means if I disable the signal, it switches back to just all white, which is daytime running. That's it. It's pretty cool. It's a good add-on. Quality on this is really awesome. Boost Auto does not disappoint. I know there's a lot of people order their products and they've been around for a while and they're all American made. But yeah, I know there's right there's a light or there's a bulb. I gotta figure it out one day. If you know how to enable the spotlight or the zoning light for the F250, please let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.